So many people would ask, of all the methodologies that are available, why would we be willing to have something as disruptive as Agile? Is it worth the cost and is it worth the benefit? I would say absolutely.
Before Agile, a lot of great work was getting done, but it was not without problems. We knew we had unplanned work that disrupted the progress on our planned deliverables, but we were not able to see it. We couldn't quantify it. We also struggled in our response to change in that we would agree to adding work without having a conversation about what we might take out.
And the reason that was a problem was that we had a certain amount of time based on our estimations to get a project done. And because of bottlenecks in the process, we were having to extend our deadlines over and over and over again.
When there's lack of priority, when there's bottlenecks, when there's chaos, it's frustrating to everybody involved.
We are constantly looking at where we are and how we can improve. And it was definitely recognized that from where we were to how we desire to improve, that Agile and that methodology for the implementation phase of the life cycle would bring the most value and benefit.
Agile methodology is an iterative approach that values individuals and interactions, working software, customer collaboration, and responding to change. So one of the things Agile has done for us is it's given us a framework to manage the multiplicity and complexity of our tasks within our team. This is because each role is well defined.
Product owners have really been given ownership over their work and over their team's work. The developers have been empowered to give their feedback and voice their opinions on priorities and the work that should be accomplished. But really, at the end of the day, the product owner has ownership over their backlog, and they're able to make the call on what the team should work on and what should be prioritized first.
So one of the greatest benefits of Agile is the opportunity that teams have to self-organize around the work. And this is reinforced by all of the aspects of Agile, from estimating to team retrospectives to planning and the way that they engage with the customers. It's enabled teams to collaborate more effectively, to have fun in the process, even in the estimating and other things that we do. And it's been very engaging. I've heard a lot of great feedback from team members and how that's improved the team structure and cohesiveness.
Agile really does provide a really good feedback loop, and so as the team meets together and we make progress, we are learning from what we're doing, getting constant feedback from each other and also campus partners, and it's really helping us recognize and be aware of what we're doing and how we're doing it.
One of the parts of the Agile methodology I really like is the review and retrospective, where you go back and look at how the sprint went and what you could do better, and that everybody has input into that, as well as discussing how they can do better. I find that very exciting and encouraging as we move forward and do things in new ways.
I'm excited to come into work now because I know what I'm going to be working on, I know what my teammates are going to be working on, and if I'm stuck on something, I know that I can bring it up and there might be someone who can help me, and I've found that problems get resolved a lot faster.
Now that we have Agile, we are in many ways sprinting really, because we want to deliver quickly, we want to deliver effectively, we want to deliver quality to our customers and make sure that communication is always flowing so that customers are always aware of what's going on and making sure that they're receiving what they want.
One of the clear benefits to me that's palpable when you implement Agile is that our campus partners come back and tell you, I feel better, things are moving forward. In fact, one campus partner told me, I now have greater hope for the future. And that to me meant that we are on the right path.
Before Agile, it was really discouraging working on our IT projects because it felt like nothing was getting done. After Agile, it feels like a weight has been lifted and we're actually seeing work done. We're more productive. We're a more cohesive team altogether. It's been one of the best things for us with our IT projects.
I love coming to work and working with my customers and with my coworkers. I feel like we're getting a lot more done now with Agile than we did in the past.
My name is Brad Dew.
Nancy Norman.
David Orton.
Suki Carvalho.
Brandon Groves.
Rob Cook.
Adam Cox.
I'm a product manager for BYU OIT.
An Agile coach.
I'm a platform engineer.
Engineering manager.
I'm on the identity team.
I'm grateful that we have Agile to help us align and bring accountability to our customers.